Hi everyone, doing a couple of activities today, doing Connect, Speak Up, Speak Out. We're going to do Bridging the Divide. We've got a great location. We're here at the Aberdeen Marina Club. Just setting up everything at the moment. See everything getting set up for everybody out. We're going to have 8 teams. They're going to be doing the Speak Up, Speak Out here. Might do some bits outside. And then they're going to be doing Bridging the Divide. We're going to set up the email center and the call center over there. We might put the final bridge outside. We're not so sure. We're going to have 8 teams. It's going to be a great experience. Alright, so just finished up a really good experience. We did Connect, we did Speak Up, Speak Out, we did Bridging the Divide, one of the best bridges we've seen. Everybody was very engaged, everyone had a great time. We've got a whole load of outputs now that we need to consolidate, feed back to them in the souvenir booklet, go through with the key stakeholders, how they can take this forward. It's been a great experience.